Hey there, nature lovers! Today, I want to share with you the incredible healing power of nature and 5 easy ways to rejuvenate your mind and spirit. In our fast-paced world, taking time to connect with the natural environment can be a game changer. Let's dive in. First up, breathe in fresh air. Step outside and take a deep breath. Feel the fresh air fill your lungs, refreshing your body and mind. It's amazing, isn't it? Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, let go of any stress or tension. Sometimes all it takes is a breath to feel reconnected. Next, feel the earth beneath your feet. Whether it's grass, sand, or soil, take a moment to truly feel the ground beneath you. Remove your shoes if you can and let your feet sink into the earth. Be present in this moment and connect with the stability and support that nature provides. It's grounding quite literally. Now let's talk about observing the beauty around you. Take a few minutes to appreciate the sights and sounds of nature. Listen to the rustling leaves. Observe the vibrant colors of flowers and watch the movement of clouds in the sky. This beauty can inspire a sense of wonder and gratitude. It's like nature's own art gallery, and it's all around us. Engaging your senses is another powerful way to connect with nature. Touch the bark of a tree, smell the flowers, and listen to the birds singing. Engaging all your senses can deepen your connection and enhance your overall experience. It's a full-body immersion that can bring you closer to the natural world. Lastly, let nature soothe your soul. Spend a few moments in silence, allowing yourself to be enveloped by the calming energy of the natural world. Let nature's tranquility wash over you, soothing your mind and replenishing your spirit. It's like a natural reset button. Remember, make it a practice to connect with nature regularly. It's a reminder of life's simple joys and an opportunity to find peace amidst the chaos of daily life. Nature is always there, waiting to heal and rejuvenate you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take a moment today to reconnect with the natural world. Until next time, stay grounded and keep exploring.